last night we had a debate about a number of things, but democratic government. How would we fix the democratic government we should have here in the United States? And I think the answer is simple. The answer is we go back to the original thinking of people like Thomas Jefferson and Alexander Hamilton and Ben Franklin, who penned these documents along with George Washington. And the idea was simple. The idea was that this is a citizen government, and that every 4 years, teachers and agriculture people and industrialists, they come to Washington and they try to do the best job they can in government. And they create laws that they will have to live with, because after 4 years they go back home. They do not become professional politicians and stay in Washington. They go back to their community, and we have a new group that comes, another citizen government. Only with that kind of system could we have the democratic government that the founders actually believed in, because the politicians today have their own health care, have their own network of retirement, things that we don't get to deal in. And so we really need a citizen government. And only with a citizen government could we really have a government of the people, by the people, and for the people.